angle pose is one of the very first arm balances that I learned. And before you attempt this, always make sure you've warmed up. Sun salutations, arm balances should never just be jumped into. So what we're going to do is, after you've warmed up, this is how you can get into the pose and prep for it. So extend your legs long, sitting up tall. And then we're going to hug that right knee into our chest, give a little love. And then we want to work on opening up hip. So we're going to sit here, pressing your foot into your arm, sitting up tall, just rocking your baby. And then from here, you're going to take this leg over your arm. It does not to be up on your shoulder, just putting it up there, resting it on your arm, because your arm is going to be the shelf and your arm balance. And then from here, you're going to press your hands into the mat, cross your ankles, cross them tight, and then using your strength, you're going to press into the mat, lift your rear off of the mat, and come into your 8 angle pose. See? Just like that. Give it a few attempts. If you can't get it today, no worries. If you can't get